you know that another way you can attract customers to your shop is by using sea salt and sugar together, just by placing it at the entrance of your shop? In this video, I will share with you every details on how you can do it and you see it working. Welcome back. My name is Kid and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. In case if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, if you are into business, you are not making sales, you are not getting customers to your shop, in this video I will share with you a simple recipe you can do by yourself to start attracting customers to your shop. Okay, just by using sea salt and sugar. Okay, that's the only two items that you can use to attract customers to your shop. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you learn how to use these items to attract customers. Okay, in this channel, all I do is share spiritual tips that can help change your spiritual life, that can help you come out of any spiritual problem that you are going through by the special grace of God. Okay, so if you're into business and your business is not moving fine, you are not getting customers, and this have been making you have sleepless nights, what you need to do is to get sea salt. Okay, this is sea salt. You can go to the market and buy sea salt. You can get it anywhere. Okay, this is sea salt. And you also need to get sugar. Okay, you also need to get sugar. It can be cube sugar, it can be powdered sugar. Okay, this is sugar. It can be cube sugar, it can be powdered sugar. Just get sugar. Okay, now when you get these two items now, what you need to do is to get your sea salt. Once you come out in your shop in the morning, the first thing you need to do is to get your sea salt, pour it inside your bag. Okay, pour it inside your bag. Okay, and you get your sugar also. And pour it also together inside your palms. Okay, now once you pour it inside your palm, you are going to pray. Tell God what you want. Say your mind in prayers. Okay, remember in the Bible, Jesus Christ used sand and spit to make the blind man to see. Okay, there are things that you have within you that you can use to change your story by prayer, but because you don't know how to use it, that is why that situation is keep disturbing you. That situation keep worrying your life. Okay, so when you mix these two items together, make sure you are praying. That's what I mean. Make sure you are praying. Okay, now after praying, sprinkle it at the entrance of that your shop. Sprinkle it at the entrance of that your shop and leave it there. Okay, anybody that comes to that your shop to buy things from you will automatically become your customers. Leave that item there for 7 days. Don't sweep it off. Leave it there for 7 days. During these 7 days, people will be coming to your shop to buy things from you, and anybody that comes to buy things from you has automatically become your customer. They'll be coming to your shop to buy things from you. Okay, and anytime you feel like you are not getting customers, you want to repeat the process, you can do it and you will see it working for you again. Okay, so after 7 days you can sweep it off. Once it's up to 7 days, you can sweep it off, but make sure you leave it there up to 7 days. Okay, after 7 days you can sweep it off and you will see how customers will be coming to your shop to patronize you. Okay, that is how you can use sea salt and sugar to attract people to come to your shop to buy things from you. Once they come and buy things from you, as that item is sprinkled at the entrance of the, once they buy that item, they will automatically become your customer. They will automatically become your customer. And if anything happens that they are no longer coming, repeat the process again and you see how it works. Okay, so that is how you can use these two items to attract customers. And make sure you pray when doing this spiritual recipe. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask, use the comment section so that I'll explain very well for you. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.